G'day guys, welcome to Russell. G'day, Russell here, welcome to Aussie Mushrooms Supplies. And we're back again, and today we're talking about spawn. Mushroom spawn is the fungus on different grains and seeds. You use this to inoculate your bulk substrate like straws, sugarcane, sawdust bags and so on. It's a high nutrient medium, so your fungus grows really fast. Being a high nutrient product, it needs to be sterilized properly. Sterilizing in a proper temperature and core temperature of bags is very important. Ask your supplier for sterilization graphs to make sure that your product is sterilized properly. If not, you could be introducing lots of problems to your substrates. We've got a few different types of mycelium here. You can see this one's a lot wider. This one barely looks grown at all, but it is grown. We get told off all the time. It's not told off it's grown, but in fact, it's actually fully colonized and ready to go. We know what we're sending out. It's a difference over here, and then also one of our wholesale bags. So we've got the perfect stage to go into storage. We've got different size bags. We make 2.5 kilo bags for wholesale. If you're buying a big enough quantity, we do made to order and very competitive pricing. Other types of spawn you might come across online is made from larger rye grains. Wheat and oats and things like that doesn't spread as far. When you've got more contact points, like with our commercial mix, it's got a lot more start points, and therefore your substrate will grow a lot faster and outrun any problems you may have. If you don't have a fully sterilized spawn, you will be introducing problems into your mix that might outcompete the mushrooms. So always make sure you're buying your spawn from a trusted vendor that can supply sterilization certificates. Check the date. If you email us and ask us, we'll be able to supply one from the day before we cooked it and show that it was sterilized. Difference between these bags over here, you've got two different types of mushrooms. This one here, it doesn't look grown, but in fact it is. All different fungi have different looking mycelium. If you're buying from a trusted vendor, they should be able to explain the differences to you if you need to know. The common question we get all the time, you sent me an uncolonized bag of grain. You can see this one here. It is fully colonized. It's all holding together, but obviously it's been banged around the post and now it looks all bare. Stand it up somewhere around 20 degrees, no more than 22 degrees. It should recover in 24 to 48 hours. Once it's sort of recovered and joined back together, chuck in the fridge for use later. When your spawn arrives, make sure you put it straight in the fridge if you're not ready to use it. It will slow its growth rate down. It won't stop it completely, so it will keep growing slowly over time, but it does slow it down and give you more time to get your substrate and stuff like that ready. Check our FAQs on what types can't go in the fridge, like pink oysters. Something like that you need to keep at room temperature under 20 degrees and use with a certain time frame.
Tips for choosing a good spawn vendor. Ask for a sterilization certificate. Any proper vendor should be able to supply this because they should be monitoring their core temperatures when they're sterilizing their bags. Third-party certification. This is also another requirement for exporting into different states in Australia. Make sure that the company you buy from does have these as well, because this is an outside party confirming that they are actually cooking things properly. Quality control. Any proper company should have good quality control. You should be able to find out what steps that companies take to ensure that their product is safe for your use.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. If there's anything else you want to learn, drop us a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that bell, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you later.